Hi, hello there.
Hello.
Hi, I am your
Hi.
teacher today, and my name is Teacher Jessie. How about you? Can you tell me your name?
Steph.
Steph. So, hi, Steph. How are you today?
I'm I'm okay.
You're okay. So, can you say, I am okay?
I am okay.
Very good. So, are you ready with our lesson? Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you say, yes, I am ready? Like this.
Yes. Okay.
I
Yes.
am. I
I
am
am ready.
ready. Very good. So we'll start. I'm going to share my screen to you. Tell me if you can see my screen already. Okay. Can you see it?
Yes.
Very nice. Okay. So our topic for today is about reading and writing. Can you see it on the board?
Yes.
Is my speaking speed okay with you, or do I need to slow down?
It's okay, teacher.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so can you read this part? Can you read the title of the book?
Reading and writing.
Wow, good job. You're good at reading. Okay, how about this part? Can you read this?
Part one, 6 questions.
Nice. So we have here the instruction on what are we going to do. So can you read this one, please?
Look and read, choose the correct words, and write them on the lines. There is one example.
Very good. Okay, so we have here some pictures. What are we going to do is you're gonna look. We're going to
Mhm.
use our eyes, and then we are going to read. To read. Okay? Is that
Okay.
good? Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Nice. So let's go to the first picture. What is this? This one. Can you read this one?
Mm, the library.
Nice try. But you should say a library. A library.
A library.
Very good. Okay. So, do you go to a library? Do you
Mm,
know? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
yes. Yeah, there is a library in my school.
Wow. How often do you go to the library?
Sometimes only.
Mm. Can you say, I go to the library sometimes?
I go to the library sometimes.
Okay, I'm gonna write it. I go to the library sometimes. Oh, sorry. It didn't go through. Okay, I'm gonna write it again. I
Uh,
go
I go.
to the library sometimes.
Okay. I
Ah,
go to the library sometimes.
okay, very good. Okay, so next, what is this one? This one. Can you see this one? What is this?
Mm, map.
Okay, that's correct. It is a map. Can you see it? It is a map.
It is a map.
Okay, it is a map. Okay, do you
It
know what is
is.
okay? Do you know what is a map, Steph?
Yes, I have a map, teacher.
Wow, very good. Do you use it in school?
Not really.
Okay, so where is your map? Is it inside your room?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Can you say, I have a map. I have
Have
a map
a map
inside
inside
my room.
my room.
Fantastic. You're doing great. Okay, so let's proceed with the next picture. This one. Can you see this?
Yes.
This one. Can you read it, please?
Mm, mm, blanket, blanket.
It's okay. Nice try, but you should say blankets. Can you say it?
Ah, blank,
Blankets.
blanket.
Good. You should put an S. Blankets.
Um, blankets.
Okay. Very good. So, do you know what is a blanket or blankets?
Mm, um, when sleep, sleep.
Yes, very good. You got it. You use a blanket when you sleep, especially when you feel cold like this. You
Oh
feel cold.
yeah,
Do you
yeah.
have one in your room? Do you have a
Mm,
blanket, Steph?
I have one, two, three. I have three.
Wow, you have three. So can you say, I have three blankets?
Ah, I have three blankets.
Wow, very good. You have a lot of blankets. Blankets. Okay, sorry. Blankets. Okay, so you have three blankets. What are the colors of your blankets? Oh,
Mm, one, pink, two, blue, three, green.
wow, that's so colorful. I wish I have pink blankets too, because I don't have a pink blanket. Okay, that's very nice. Okay, let's proceed to the next picture, Steph. Can you see this one? This one. Can you read this one?
Mm. Book, book,
It's okay. Uh, you can say a bookcase.
a
Can you say
book,
it again?
a bookcase.
Very good. A bookcase. So, what is a bookcase, Steph? Do you know?
I don't know, teacher.
Okay, can you see the picture here? Can you see that? This one. What can you
Yes,
see? What can you see inside the bookcase?
a lot of books.
Yes, you put your books in a bookcase. Ah,
Okay.
okay. So you can say, I put my books. I put my books in a bookcase. Can
Um,
you say that?
I
I
put, I put my books in a bookcase.
Very good. You got it correct. Okay, so next picture. This one. Can you see this one? Can you read it, please?
A playground.
Very good. You read it right. So, what is a playground, Steph?
Yeah, there is a playground outside my house.
Wow, so do you play in a playground?
Sometimes.
Okay. I Do you like playing there? Do you like
Yeah.
playing in? Yes.
Mm,
So you can say, yes, I like playing in the playground.
I la I what's that teacher? Yes, I.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna change it. I got the spelling wrong. Okay. So I like
Ah,
playing in the playground.
ow. I like playing in the playground.
Very good. So gonna put it here. Okay. Very good. So next picture we have here. Can you see this one? What is this? Can you see it?
Mm, to- towels, towels,
Okay, nice try, but you should say towels. Towels.
towels.
Oh, very good. That's towel. So, where can you find a towel or towels? Where can you find towels?
Mm,
Where is it? What is this? What is
mm,
this place?
um, uh, uh, bathroom.
Yes, in a bathroom. So, you put your towel in a bathroom before you take a bath, correct?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So, I have my towel in the bathroom. So I will write it here. I have my towel in the bathroom.
I have towel in the
Bathroom.
bathroom.
Okay. Very good. So you did well, Steph. You read good. So that's so nice. But our time is over. So I'm gonna see you next time.
Okay, teacher.
It's
Thank
bye for
you.
now. Hope to see you
Bye.
again.
Bye bye. Thank you. Okay. You may now proceed to the adults. Good job. And let's have the
Okay.
adults.
Teacher, I know, teacher, I don't know if I have 10 minutes.
Ah, yeah.
I
It's
have 10.
okay. Yeah, it's okay. You may now proceed to the adults.
Okay. So, okay, let's start. Just wait.
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. I'm just gonna, I'm gonna, okay.
Yes.
Okay, so, hello. Hi.
Hello.
Can you hear me? Can you see me?
Ah, yes, yes, I can hear you and see you.
That's good. So, my name is Jessie Bell, but you can call me Miss Jessie. So, I am
Oh,
your teacher today.
all
How
right.
about you? How about
Oh,
you? What is your name?
oh, well, my name is Steph. You can call me Steph.
Okay, Steph. So, hello, Steph. It's nice to meet you today. So, how are you?
Okay, it's nice to meet you too. I'm good. What
Wow.
about you?
I am good. I am fine too. So, I feel good today that I finally meet you. So, are you excited or are you ready with our lesson?
Well, oh yeah, I'm actually ready.
So that's good. So before we start, can you tell me some little details about you? Like if it's okay to ask, how old are you?
Ah, okay. So, well, hold on, I am actually 29 years old. I'm I'm a worker. I'm an assistant in a company.
Wow. So you are good in customer service, something like that, correct?
Yes, yes, customer service. Yeah.
That's nice. So
Oh,
can I ask if why did you enroll in an English class?
oh well. I actually need to practice more since I
Mm-hmm.
always talk to non-English people, so I need to practice my English well.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
So very good. So you need to practice more because you are communicating with other people who are non-English, right?
Yes, so
Yes.
I might forget how to speak English.
Okay, that happens sometimes. We forget the words we wanted to say, but it's okay. I'm going to help you improve your communication skills. Okay?
Thank you so much.
So I'm gonna share my screen to you. Okay, so for the topic that we are going to talk today, so can you see my screen?
Yes, again.
Okay, so can you please read the title of this book?
Um, Internet shopping is the future.
Okay, so we're talking about shopping through the internet. Okay, so we're just going to read the passage, and after that, we're going to talk about it. Okay? You can
Okay.
share your opinion, you can share about what you think about the passage. Okay?
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
So, can you please read?
Okay. In the past, we went to stores to buy things we needed. These days, however, we can um uh, either go shopping or use the internet. More and more people are choosing to use the internet to buy things. Is this better than going shopping?
Okay.
So, okay, some people say that it is better to use the internet to buy products products first. It is much more convenient. Customers can buy any product that they want 24 hours a day. Second, people can save time. This is because they don't have to prepare to go out and travel. They don't need to walk around the stores. They can just use their computers or smartphones to buy the products that they want. Other people say that going shopping is better than using the internet. First, when people go shopping, they can touch and try the products. As a result, they will be happy with the things they buy. Second, going shopping is a lot of fun. Families and friends can meet and look around the stores. They can also eat nice food or stop at a cafe. This is much better than sitting at home all day.
Wow, fantastic. You read very well.
Okay,
That's
thank you.
okay. So, but we just need to review some words here, like this
Okay.
one. Mm-hmm. This one. I'm going to underline it. So this one. Okay. Can you say went?
Uh, we went.
Yeah.
We went.
Yeah, that's good. That's nice. And how about this one? You find it hard to read this one? Convenient.
Mhm. Convenient. Convenient.
Good, good. That's good. Okay. So, do you know what convenient means?
No, I forgot. I forgot what it means. What is it?
It's okay. So, convenient means it is much easier. It is
Ah,
much easier. Okay. I will give you a situation where you can use the word convenient. So you want to go to a mall or a shopping center, and there are two ways to go there. You can walk or you can ride a bus. So which one is the much easier way? You walk or you ride a bus?
of course, I need to ride a bus.
Okay, so you can say uh, It is more convenient to ride a bus to go to a mall. You can,
Okay, got it. Got
yeah,
it.
you get it. So it is
Yeah.
okay, that's good. It is the most easier way to go to the mall.
Mm-hmm.
So it is more
Mm-hmm.
convenient. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So do you have other words here that you don't understand?
Mm, I think I got all the words.
Okay, that's very good. So we'll talk about the passage. We have here some comprehension check below. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to answer the questions using the information from the reading passage. So can you read question number 1?
Where did we go in the past to buy things we needed?
So where did we go according to the passage? Can you remember it?
Um, in the past, supermarket, market.
Supermarket. Okay. So you can say we go to the supermarket to buy.
Uh, okay. We go to the supermarket to buy things in the past.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay. So you
Uh,
got it right. Okay. Here, when we go back to the passage, it's here. Some people, uh, okay, we went to the stores, or you got it correct, in the supermarket or some stores. Okay.
okay. Oh, by the way, when we say internet shopping, that is like phone application. Is that correct?
Yes. We use the internet and we browse. We browse in our smartphone or in the computer. We browse
Mm-hmm.
the products that we want to buy. And there are some shopping platforms. Okay.
So we call them shopping platforms or
Yes.
application.
Yes. Application or platforms. That is correct. You got it.
Okay. Yes.
That is correct. Okay. So, any more questions?
No, none.
Okay. So, we're going to answer question number 2. Can you read it, please?
Why can shopping using the internet be more convenient?
Okay. So, what do you think?
As what you said, you can just browse our phones, and then the package or the item will just be here at our home at any time we want. No, is it any time I want?
Yes, it's you can shop through the internet anytime, 24 hours.
Oh, yes, because I'm not really good at internet shopping. I always go to the supermarket since supermarket is near my home.
Oh, that's convenient. You have the
Ah,
supermarket near your home. But if you need a product that is not in the supermarket, you can use your phone. You can browse.
yes, maybe.
Yes. Yeah, that and it will.
Do you have any recommendation?
Okay, so it depends from where you live. So you can browse in the Google Chrome. You have that,
Ah,
the Google Chrome.
okay, okay,
Okay,
got it.
so it will direct you to the nearest platform that is near in your area or near in your location that has a service of delivery. Yeah, you can
Okay.
use your phone to search for it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
By the way, I think it's already time, and I think I still need to sleep, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. I sorry. I got so carried away
Oh, that's
with
fine. Yeah, I
talking to you. Okay.
understand. Yes.
So so you are really great today. You are a good reader and you also have a great memory. So
Uh,
you remember the things you read and you answer the questions easily. So that's so nice. Hope I can see you next time.
okay, thank you so much,
Thank
teacher.
you so much. Bye.
Bye.